Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay and this is Jay's Journal. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this here makeup look in less than 10 minutes. If you want to see how I did this, then please continue to watch. Guys, so right now I am going to just do some really quick, like 5 to 10 minute makeup because we're going to be running around a little bit today and I just want to look presentable. I want to make myself look presentable, fresh and awake and all of that. So go ahead and apply my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Moira brow pencil. It's a precision brow pencil. I'm just going to lightly go under the brow and this will just help to define it a little bit. Go in that tail a little bit. Just like that. Like I don't really want to fill in the whole brow. Do the same thing on this side. And then we're going to brush this throughout the brow. I don't think I'm going to conceal them at all. I'm going to do some Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless and it's a good go-to drugstore foundation. So I don't have to think about it too much. So, and now I'm just blending that in with my Real Techniques brush. Dress together, of course. Okay, now that we have the foundation blended in, I'm going to go in with some of my Milani concealer. This is the Conceal and Perfect concealer. This one is a lot closer to my actual skin tone, which works for a nice everyday kind of look. Not super brightening. Bro, I swear sometimes these smell like expired. Anyway, let's go ahead and blend the concealer in. I'm just going to use a brush for around the mouth. And then I'm going to use my sponge. I'm going to use my sponge. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. Or Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, not Matte and Poreless Powder. And I'm just going to take my little sponge. And I'm just going to lightly set under the eye and around my mouth. Like that. Middle of the forehead too, because we did apply concealer there. I'm going to go in with this blush out of this MAC Duo. It's very similar to like Raisin, so if you just need a color for reference, it's essentially like Raisin. I might skip bronzer today, so I'm just going because it's just something quick. I'm going in with my Fenty Caramel Cutie and a very small brush. This is a Japanesque brush, if you guys can see. Slightly contouring the nose just to bring back definition after making it flat with all of my products. And then we're going to go with a powder brush, dust away any powder from under the eye, from the forehead, around the mouth. Blend everything in together. I'm using the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. And I'm just going to quickly apply this. I just want to look brighter, more awake. More awake is the go. I want to look more awake. So we got mascara on, and I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Limitless Brown Lip Pencil and lightly line my lips. Smudge the lips together to transfer some of the liner on the top and just define like this. Boom. I don't know where my main gloss is that I'm looking for, but it's fine. I think I'm just gonna put on my Fenty Cupcake Cream Fenty Glass. Is that what these are called? Gloss Bomb and Cupcake. And I'm just going to apply a little bit because these are very pigmented. That's pretty. I don't know why I don't wear this. I literally never wear this. And I'm pretty happy with that. And I might put on a little bit of my NYX lip gloss. Well, not lip gloss. I'm going to put on a little bit of my NYX Butter Gloss. And this is in the color Eclair. And it's lighter. Right in the sun. That is it. That's all. I'm not doing anything else for the makeup look. I am going to spray a little bit of my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Why does it look like that? Let me spray some out before I just go and spray anything on my face. It smells the same. It just was like, okay. I'm going to spray a little bit on the face. Let me flake off this mascara. I accidentally bumped right here. This is the final look. This is literally like the quickest go-to makeup. I didn't want to do anything crazy. It took me a little under 10 minutes, and yeah, we're just gonna call it a day. Like, I'm not doing anything else. Like, that's it. That's all we're done. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and next one will be a little longer, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what you guys want to see next as well in the comment section. If you haven't already, please subscribe. See you later. Ciao.